User Bubshalub says balls 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 balls.
Why? Why? Is my mic broken? I think my mic. No.
Ow, 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 ow. Fixed it. Ah. Alright, let's... Now you... Dabba. Oh. Let's turn you down. Get you a little more dynamicism. Okay, there we are. Okay, holy shit. Okay, hi. I accidentally turned off phantom power. For context, my mixer has a bunch of bright LEDs on it, and I didn't realize that they have that I turned off the phantom power by accident because the switches are right beside each other and I normally don't turn them both off. So hey, lesson learned. Turn them both off / both on at the same time. Yay. Okay. Let's see.
User Bubshalub says balls.
Buggy. Is it better now, Buzz? Does it sound somewhat normal? Cause yeah, the whole phantom power thing. Let's see. Let's yank arc over onto this thingy. Whoops. There we are. Huzzah! Okay, so we got cocktail sitting over there. Yep, the other one sitting over there. There's a lot of wasted space here.
User Bubshalub says mic is as high quality as your stream setup.
Is that good or bad? Because I can't tell if that's a low-handed dig. Yeah. Anyways, I guess rolling on is yeah, we'll go from here, I suppose. So the plans for the day are pretty simple. What they are is they are. Let's just hide you. The plans are you a little bigger. Godot and chill. There we are. That's the entire plan. Not gonna be able to stick over this time forever because fam is over. Hey, no problem. That is fine. Hope you have a fun time with that. Oh, I think I missed one of your other TTS messages due to the queue length.
User, Bubshalub says, your mic is dead.
That is true. I just wanted to hit that because the message sitting there would bother me a lot. So yay, we got that out of the way, so huzzah. Yeah, trying to think of what else from there. Not really anything notable. Just kind of moving and the grooving and the moving and the grooving, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, yeah, we driving, miving, driving. Chilling, maxing, relaxing, acting all cool. Playing some beep ball outside of the school.
User, Bubshalub says.
Very good. Are you proud of yourself? Are you happy saying nothing? You're correct. You didn't say the thing. You didn't say anything. Anyways, yeah. I guess we'll slam into it because I already have godot opened up. Well, not opened up, but I have it like ready to be opened up. Okay, so now where the heck are we? So we got that. If you think I'm not going to be using Wes-term, you won't be mad. Oh, side thing I'll share, just because I'm really happy about it, is this is a thing I'm working on. If you care about it, you can go to my GitHub. But I basically implemented my own timer, similar to the one that they do in Godot. The only difference is that this timer, instead of it being an integer, it is instead of it being a float timer, it's an integer timer. But like, hey, who cares? I think it's one of those things where I think it's neat. So if I think it's neat, then all of you have to think it's neat. That's how it legally works because I am the streamer. I am the one with the stream. So I have the final say and opinion, and I am always right no matter what and what I say. So I'm gonna do real quick. I'm just gonna hit some of this. Are you a thing that is audible? No, because you come over there. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. So, now that out of the way, I think we can slam into it. Let's see. Let's do this. And then let's do some, say that, just so I can monitor the string. There we go. And then, yeah, then we can just pop on a new tab. We will hop into Godot, 01CD1. There we are. Okay, and let us get to the work. Whoops, I did not mean to full screen that at all, but here we are. Small thing about the macOS snapping that bothers me is it tries to leave these little gaps around and it's just a little annoying. But yeah, here we are. We're grooving. We're moving to the grooving and the moving to the grooving and up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's see. Okay, so from here, okay, let's do a quick little test of the game and kind of re-sniff how I feel about it. So let's hop into here. We'll go into the room, the close-up. Whoop, that is not working. Let's fix that. Let's see. I need to just adjust you real quickly. I apologize. Okay. Awesome. There we are. Okay, so now you're all zoomed in. Gashpoogity. There we are. Yeah, okay. So now that we're here, y'all can see the window there. Beautiful. So here's where we're at right now with the game. So a couple seconds of random bats appearing, then we got an angry bat appearing, and then some lizards doing some lizard things. I'm gonna move the cursor off because yeah, it doesn't make sense to have. I actually got pinched there by my own salamanders. Okay, you know what? It really bothers me to not have an explosion there. So let's real quickly create an explosion. So what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm going to just disable the let's talk about it here. I'm just going to disable the screen capture just for a second because the screen capture is, it's not bad, it's just that as a furry I do various types of commissions, which I'm sure you can imagine have various types of cough clients. So let's make sure we don't get demonetized hardcore. And then we will slam on into that. Oh hey, there's actually a good ID provided with the thingy. That's neat. Okay, let's see. So let us create a new image. Save image as explosion. Yeah. Okay, so now what we need to do. Okay, I don't know why that's there. Okay. Now you're good. We can actually punch back out to the room. Hi! Hello, everybody! And then now, let's make sure there's no TTS messages queued. Nope. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so now that we're here, what we can do is I want to look up some references for some explosions. So let's go to a new tab. See what YouTube can provide for us. Explosion. Oh no, sorry, I want to see Metal Gear Solid. Not Metal Gear Solid, what am I thinking of? Metal Slug. Metal Slug Explosion. I want to see if somebody upload that. Because I don't want to do exactly this, I want to do something very similar to it. Can I set the quality on this to like high? Boom. You know what? It's actually green screened. So I think what I might do is I might actually just use this as a placeholder because I'm pretty much treating everything as a placeholder right now. And then just swap her out later. So let's do this. Let me just download this thingy real quickly. Allow. Huzzah. And then just start opening up files real quickly, so just give me a second. Doink, doink. Let's see. Unsorted. La Demo 5 music. Let's see. I don't even know where it would be. Would it be in here? I have no idea. I don't see why it wouldn't be. Unless Ark was being a big old dumbie. It was. Found it. So let's see. We'll just go. Where are we going? We're going to go to Unsorted. Yoink. Okay. I gotta probably like file import. So let's get that underway. Let's see, where am I going here? So we gotta go into Krita, we gotta go File, Import Video Animation. And the video file, we can allow full access, it's Krita. And then what we will do is, I'm gonna write a little sticky note just to clear my, thingy things. So yeah, give me just a second for that. Let's see. Okay, so there's that. So now I have a sticky note of that, huzzah. And then now, I'm going to... Can I not drag this off screen? Can I not drag you away? There we go. Just because file navigation. He's fun. I haven't sorted my files in a while, so we don't want none of that homework coming up. Oh, I forgot I demoed that like entire series. Whoop. Alright, there we are. So we'll do okay. Fail to export frames from videos. Really? Really? Import animation frames, maybe? No. I want to do file. Import video animation. Yeet. Oh! We got the song from the Foxes. Down, laying inside on quiet run. Such a good song. Ow. That hurt my ears. Inside every broken piece. Such an intense thing. Okay. There we are. So now all I need to do is simply... Can I not? Oh, you're not. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do a very terrible animation then, I guess. Is there going to be nothing on the stream? I forgot to re-enable that. Ha 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 ha. I had to go through files for a second, so I just wanted to disable any files, disable the screen capture just for a second because of wink wink nudge nudge. So yeah, you get the idea. Let's see, we'll go something kind of like, I think what I'll do is I'll do something kind of like, say, I'll do 3 little balls for the start of the animation, kind of like so. And then what I'll do is I will then, let's see, so we want that to be a frame, then we want another new frame here. Am I duplicating? No, add blank frame. Alright, why are you not adding a blank frame? There we are. Can I onion skin? Okay, that should not matter too much. I don't know why onion skin isn't working. That's a little silly. Let's see. In the future, you should have a designated monitor for stream stuff. Honestly, I really regret not having it now. Remember I was kind of telling you about, like, making one of those phone apps or whatever to, like, monitor the stream and control it? Like, I'm already kind of considering that more and more each day. Because, like, unironically, it's starting to get quite congested. Or even get, like, a little, like, 13-inch monitor off of, like, Facebook Marketplace or something like that. Like, genuinely. Because, like, I kid you not, like, I'm not sure if you saw that, I'm not sure if you saw that stream thing I tried to share with you, Bubs. Like, unironically, this is my second monitor, but like, it's actually that bad. Like, it's actually that like condensed and what have you. Well, discovering why people buy stream decks. Not really. Okay, so this is the asterisk to that, which I want to clarify, is that I still think stream decks are stupid, because with a stream deck, you know, you have like this device, right? And like this is it, and it's just a screen, right? But then like what you're trying to do with a stream deck is you're basically saying, no, I don't want this, I want this right here. That's the only part of the screen that I want right here. Like everything else, nah, all that red's dead space. Like that's just that's just stuff we don't care about. These little gaps right here, yeah, that's the part of the whole fucking screen that I care about. Nothing else. So I don't know. It's all kind of just silly to me, because it's just one of those things where it's just like I understand the idea, but it's also just very, very silly in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know. I'm curious why onion skins aren't working. Let me very quickly give this a little Google. Like Grandpa used to say, better dead than red. I fail to see how that applies. Unable to see onion skins. I thought I clicked the light bulb. Oh, wait, no, I have to turn it on here. There we go. Okay. That is a very silly thing to do, but yes, we have that. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, Bubs, I completely forgot to ask. What do you think of the what do you think of the TTS stuff? Do you enjoy me wiring up TiB? Do you enjoy me making the toaster suffer? Let's make this 8 frames. Yeah, I guess 8 frames. Let's see, we're gonna have this, and then we're gonna have, say, like, you, doink, and then we'll have, like, say, oops, say, like, you, we'll have, like, say, you, there we are. Let's see, we're going to, remove keyframes without moving anything around, yeah. There we go. So now, I'm just thinking is basically like, okay, so I want to go something like kaboosh. Then I want to go something like kaboosh. I guess I should just go like kaboosh. Kaboosh. And then something like kaboosh. Yeah, I don't know why I was drawing these so square. Let's go something like that, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make the previous color like blue. Because most of this is gonna be red work, so yeah. Let's see, just erase some of that. Then we'll go brush and then we'll go like kaboosh. There we are. And then we'll go a frame later. Why am I not inserting new frame again? It's Critta's being a little fun. Also, I probably want to enable these frames. I think 4 would be probably good. Let's see. So we've got this frame here where we want it to be like very big explosion. Very big. Yeah. Kaboink. Whoop, let's go something kind of like kaboink. Kaboink. And then something say like kaboink. I should probably just use an ellipse tool for this, don't you think? You know, something kind of like, you know, whoops, don't know, I did not let off my mouse there, so that's cool, but like something like doink, doink, and then like, not you, Peter Doinklage, sure, good enough. Come on, come on, come on, there we are, there we are, and then like next frame, I don't want to duplicate, I want to go like this, yeah. And then go something kind of like kachoosh. Whoops. Kadoosh. You know what? Why am I doing multiple of these when I can do game dev? I can just make big one go small and vice versa and like set it in a random velocity. That was me being very silly. Yeah, let's fix that real quickly. So we'll do something kind of like do. Because now I can just focus on one element instead and then like do a random flip and then yeah. That makes so much more sense. So let's see, so we'll go with something kind of like... So what I think I'll do is I'll go something kind of like, I'll draw like a little bit of a star. Kind of like that shape. Yeah. Something kind of like that with I think like a light blue core. Ah, that's a bit too pale. There we are. Yeah, something kind of like that-ish. And then we will go, say, next frame. We need to enable the onion skinning. Where did my mouse go? There it is. And then same thing. We'll draw just kind of like a slightly different star. So it's like pa-chang. There we are. And now that's slightly bigger. Fill it in with gerbly gurk. And then now I want to draw a tiny star. Paching, paching. And then we'll do something kind of like, sort of like that-ish. Paching, 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 paching. And then new frame. And then we'll do something just like a small little glip. Oh, not a circle selection. I want a circle draw. And kind of like Kachoo. I don't really like the way that one looked. I don't like the way that one looked. Sure, good enough. We'll do something like Kaboom. And then we'll go slightly smaller than usual. Not quite that big. We'll do something kind of like there-ish. And then we'll go something slightly bigger. So it's like corner to corner, basically. And then we'll go start kind of like fizzling it out now. So we'll go back to smaller. And then we'll go slightly smaller. And then we'll go smaller yet again. Something kind of like there-ish. And then keep just making her smaller and smaller. New frame, smaller. I realize I'm kind of biasing the top, so I kind of want to make it a little bit smaller. And then just builds a couple pixels and then gone, basically. So I think that works. And then so we'll just end on like a single pixel. There we are. So now if we go play that. Play? Alright, yeah, that works. Let's see. So we're actually doing 12 frames of animation now, because of course we are. Let's quickly run through here, and let's add some sort of,
User, Bob Shalom says, Cabamao.
You might want to try that again, Bubs. I can't tell if TiB purposely butchered that one or not. Whoops, let's fix that. But also, yes, Kaboom. Let's see now. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Those are onion skin settings. Let's see. Then we'll just kind of go like that. Like that. And then we gotta go to this next one like this, and then like that. And then...
User, Bob Shalom says, KAA boom, oh. User, Bob Shalom says, KAA boom, oh.
Alright, well there's a double oopsie, but hey, sure, why not, I suppose. Okay, I think something like that, and I think that one being red is cool. So let's do something like that. And then what I want to do is I kind of want to add like a white hot ring in the center. Slightly blue one, I guess. Well, it was not meant to be. Yeah, listen, you're trying to deal with a stupid little toaster. Like the little boy's slow. You gotta give him time. You gotta give him a second for their brain to think it. Don't you know they're silly? You gotta let them think. They're just a little stupid. They're just a little stupid. You can't be too hard on them because they're maximum stupid. Like, come on, dude. Like, if you like treat them like they're smart, they're gonna like, you know, think they're actually worth something.
Fuck you, Volbite.
No, fuck you, TiB. Anyways, carrying on. Anyways, let's see. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that, and you can go in the bathwater later. All right, let's see. So now let's just bucket fill all of this. Can I use? Oh, I can use the arrow keys to jump back and forward frames. Let's go. Okay. Tink. 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 Tink.
User, Bubshalub says, take me in the bath with you, Papa. User, Bubshalub says, take me in the bath with you, Papa.
Why is it double playing? Whatever. We'll figure it out later. I'll have. Yeah, but I think you're too excited for the bathwater. We'll just fill you in because screw it. Boink, 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 boink. All right, that's good enough. Because now what I'm thinking is that I'm gonna disable the screen share just for a second because I don't know what default location will take me. Save as. Oh, look at that! I actually took me to the right place. Let's see. Resources. You. Why is it snapping me to the right side? Let's see. You new folder explosion. Should I name it explosions or explosion? I like the name explosions because you know I probably have more. Explosion underscore beta. Yeah, I'll say alpha. ALPHA. There we go. Let's see what the heck the booby shalubi is saying away.
User, Bubshalub says, bath, 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 zap, zap.
The zap caught me off guard. I was reading it after they started saying it, and then I realized what happened. Okay, so now we're just gonna go file, export. Yeah, oh no, render animation is what we're looking for. There we are. It'll be just a second, just kind of get this all finished and pumped out. Did it render? I can't actually tell if it rendered yet. One second. Give me just a moment. Explosions. Okay, it did render. Neat. Okay. So I can re-enable the screen share now. Whoops, let's go back. There we are. Alright, let's re-enable the screen share. And then now that screen share has been re-enabled, I can re-enable the TiB again. Say, I must venture off now. Good luck with the stream, you dummy. Thank you. Have fun with your other stuff, and I hope it treats you well. So yeah, have fun, and I'll see you in a bit, maybe. If not, then I guess I'll catch you after the stream. So oodly 2. So yeah, there we go.
But take me with you.
Fuck off, TiB. You're supposed to stay here. Get back here. Well, you can't go anywhere, but you know, you get the idea. So I guess we're here doing this. So, and no, TiB, you're stuck with me. So fuck you. yeah, fuck you. Okay, let's see. Where are we going with this thing now? So, let's see. Where are we going? So we need to go. We're adding the explosion stuff. I'm taking a steaming hot bath later, TiB. Well, I guess TiB is probably gonna be excited. I guess they were excited for that. So, hey, you have fun with that, Bubs, and I'll catch you later. And yeah, TiB, you can stop making this awkward. Okay, now where are we going? So we are now going to the Lizzos. So we're going to go to Rico, and then we're going to add the Explodies. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to actually add I'm gonna create a scene for the explodies. 2D scene. Explosion. I'm going to add a, what is it, animation, sprite, animated sprite 2D, there we are, and then we'll get the animation, we will do, say, this, new sprite frames, let's see, and then we will go to the animation tab, we will grab all of you, we'll drag you in. Oh, hey, not drag you in? Let's like select you first? Okay, I guess I gotta select you first. There we are. So then now we go to the 2D scene. Let's witness this in engine. Oh yeah, I completely forgot that the animated sprite thing is a little silly with what do you call it? With the thing, you know. There we are. And then we gotta go to set this to the nearest so it doesn't look like completely doggy doo-doo. And then let's play the animation so we can actually see what the heck it looks like. Alright, so we gotta increase this to like at least 8 FPS. Uh, 12 FPS? 24? 24 is a bit intense. I feel like 18. That looks cute. Okay, so let's see. So trying to think of how I want to do this because I didn't really think about the implementation much at all. So that's awesome. Let's see. Do I want the animation to be? I'm trying to think. Do I want the animation to be either... Like, do I want this node to create multiple instances of this animation? Or do I want the lizard to make multiple instances of this animation? I think I want to do the lizard making multiple. So we will do, I think it's in resources, explosions, and then explosion. Yeah, explosion.tcn. You know what, let's do this. Let's grab all of you. We'll right click move / duplicate to explosions, create folder, alpha underscore explosion, and then we'll move all the frames into there. There we go. Yeah, like that. Like that. That gives me contentment with what I'm doing. So now that we're here, so we can save you and I guess dip because it doesn't matter too much outside there. But this also needs to update because that is being very, very, very silly. My plan for this as well is to have this basically be landscape, like basically always. So if I do something like this, if I hit play here, will it be like roughly to scale with the window? Oh, alright, top spawned alright. Oh, bottom spawned alright. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That is not an amazing, perfect thing, but I am okay with it being a start. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't like them twitchy boys. Okay. Alright, the deer scale definitely has to be turned up a little bit too, because that is 218. Oh, that is a hunter. Huh. Hunters are like way off screen. Alright, well. No sweat. Okay, many issues. many issues. So that's always wonderful. Let's see. So now that we're here, what am I doing? So I want to do the Rico spawn thing. So let's see. So let's do that. There's that. I just want to add a little bit of space after because I think that the spacing here is a little bit inconsistent and that bothers me to look at a glance. It just makes it a little bit harder to read. So we'll do something like I guess they should all maybe just be scrunched up together. Yeah, I think scrunched up together works. Give me them scrunchies. There we are. Cancel. Save. There we go. Okay, so what from here? So now we have all this going on. So I just need to go back to the Rico. Enrico the Rico, and do the Rico things, because the Rico things are very fun. I don't know why I'm saying Rico so much, but sure, I guess. I don't know. Anyways.
Volbite, shut the fuck up.
No, fuck you. You can... Yep. I can turn you off. You realize that, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Fuck you. Okay, so we are going to Rico. Enrico. Let's see. Okay, I need to do a thing that is going to be like, I need to go to the Lizzos, and I need to pull up a Rico, and I need to add a new thing to their scene. I need to add an explosion. Oh no, I did not. I need a timer, and then I'll need to name this like a explosion underscore. Actually, I just had an idea, which would probably be better. Yeah, let's do this. This will seem a little bit weird at a glance, but I think it'll actually be much better long term. So let us instead let us grab the explosion scene, explosion.tcsn, and then go from there. Just popping to say I sent you a great video to play on stream. What did you send me, Bubs? What curse shit did you send me? That is a thumbnail, in fact. That is in fact a thumbnail. And no, I will not play that. Though I am surprised it is on YouTube. Is this dude trying to like speedrun getting banned? I don't know, man. I also just realized I completely forgot to share this stream link in the server and Twitter again. So let me do that real quickly, I suppose, because hey, not free promo, but you know, promo nonetheless. He says for educational purposes only. Is that what they're calling it now? Yeah, dude, listen, I don't think I want to play that. That's something that I think would get me that would give me a very bad time. Kid, hey, do you want to tell them what it might be, because I don't think I want to say it. Yeah.
It's a video saying various racial slurs.
Yeah. I am honestly shocked it's on YouTube though. That is one of those YouTube finds where when you see it, you're just kind of like, huh? Bubs, you can't just say that. You can't just say that, man. That's not even how it works, man. Like, you're red. Like, come on. Let's see. Where's it going? Oh, yes, I need to share the stream, because if I don't share the stream, then it's no fun. Let's see. There we are. Okay, so let me slam this into the stream real quickly. The boy is live again with more TTS. Is live again. Let's see. Yes. There we are. Alright, let's see. Dude, I'll be real with how much stuff I have running for the stream. I am low-key shocked this thing isn't like exploding because like
User,
holy shit.
Bud Shalom says, flag of Guatemala, ice cube, tomato.
Back at you. Okay, where are we going from here? Can I change this? Okay, I actually need to do one small thing real quickly. I need to go to here. I need to go to the readme. I need to say, 1, 2, 3, urgent, update, TTS underscore, Q underscore length, manually, dink, fix integer underflow. There we are. Alright, that should work out relatively alright. Let's see, and then just for safety measures, I'm gonna do that. Yank and then paste, and yeah, I think that should be enough to grab my attention. What I actually want to do though is I want to go $G$. Oh no, frick. No, I want to go G0, VG $X, GV $. No, that's not you. VG $. G. Oh no, sorry. VG $. There we are. That's just the hotkey that I never use. VG0. There we are. Okay. I can now do the good EP and get some sleepy with that thing being the way it is. So, thank you. That is very, very epic. Okay.
Volbite your cringe.
Shut the fuck up, kid. Okay, so where are we going from here? Okay, TiB, you threw me off. Fuck you. I made you. You can't be sassing me. I made you. I can unmade you. Unmade isn't a word, but unmade isn't a word, but yeah. I mean, I guess you can argue to it. Whatever. Anyways, let's see. So in the explosion now, I want to go to the scene. I want to go, let's see. I want to go, say, spark, and then I want you to be boom. So we'll go something like that. We'll just delete these frames. We'll go spark, dink. Whoops, I meant to stay in the animation editor. Let's keep editing, I suppose. Oh, it's in sprite frames. That's not where I should let it be. Excuse you? Alright, that was weird. Alright, let's see. So, now if I save... Let's see. If we go back to the scene, I want to see how this looks. Let's do something like 8. Let's do something like 24, I guess? Maybe 12. Or maybe 18. I think 18 looks kind of good for what it would be. Yeah, because like... Bloop, 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 and then, after that... Yeah, I think I like that idea. Yeah, cool. So what I'm thinking now is that we can save these. And then what we can do is instead of going full tilt, we can then look for rico.gd. GD. And then what we can do is we can then say What do I want to do? I want to add you as a thing here. Can I do this? No, I have to do the... I have to, like, import it. Yeah, I do this. Okay. Huh, okay. Fun times. So where are we going from here? We need to... oh, I just remembered one more thing, too. I should add right here. Add a banner telling users they can use TTS. There we are. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go back to here. So now that we're going on the Rico side of things, we want to add the kabluk. So by doing the kabluk, what I want to do is, so I gotta refresh myself on how this goes. So, yeah, so we want the animated start to play kaboom, but we don't want to play kaboom. We want to do something else first. So let's see. I'm gonna go, we'll go down here to kaboom, kabloory. We're going to add a to-do flag that says basically, spawn explosion, balls here, and, cause them to, fly around. There we are. With a random, what am I thinking of? Random, angular and, linear velocity. Oh, I have a call, so give me just a moment. Unamas. Hello, Adam. I just saw you swing by. I didn't manage to read your message because it was on the tiny screen. You just got a slow reverb something. Nice. Fair enough. No problems. Feel free to let me know when you're back because there is a new stream feature if you can't read the title. So yeah, we can have fun with that. So let's see. Okay, so where are we going from here? So, what we do is we want the, not the turn, we want the, not the on-screen exited either. We're on Rico, right? Yeah, we're on Rico. Okay, so we have the ready. Let's see. So then we want where's the timer to do not on-screen exited, but on the kaboom? Where's the kablooer? Connect? There should be a connect here. May not connect kill all. Screen exited on screen exit. What? How did I do this then? Am I tripping? Oh no, I did it manually by getting like the distance. So when the distance is doing a thing, play kabloom. Where's the other play? Warning. Okay, there we are. And it's right, play warning. Okay, and then we want to go, $. I guess on ready would be the one. Var explosion underscore animated sprite. I guess animated underscore sprite. And then we'll just initiate that as a null. And then what I want to actually do real quickly as well is I want to see if the on ready thing is different. Is at on ready the same as save, same as declaring in func underscore ready question. Only applies to initializing variables. You can do other things in onReady. onReady is limited to expressions, while onReady you can have statements. Okay, I don't necessarily know what the big difference is there. Because like in reality, what I'm thinking is I could just do something like, you know, like I could just say like at on ready, and then I could just say, you know, is equal to, what would it be? It would be semicolon res double dash, or is it? Yeah, it's resources double dash, and then it would be like resources forward slash, and then whatever the heck it is. I don't actually remember, so I'm just gonna go to the script for this, and I'm just gonna be all cutesy wootsy and just go we, like that. Just say at on ready. There we are. Load file, please. There we are. So I don't see why I can't do that. I've been doing it the other way a lot, but like I don't see a reason why I can't do it that way.
It don't make no sense for me, no buddy.
Let's see. Oh shoot, there's something else I need to do. Let's see. Whoops. On dash off light for when message is playing. Alright, there we are. Hold on. Let's see, for chat pet. Yeah. I don't know why I had a semicolon to that. Ha 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 ha. Okay, there's that. Okay, now that we're here, what am I thinking of? So we have the thing done. So then we want, it was warning, I think it was called. Yeah. So here we want to do, frick, what is it? It was the, oh no, so on ready we got to initialize it. So, explosion underscore animated underscore sprite. I'm just gonna go say to here. Give you a little yank, and then dot instantiate. I think that's right. It's been like a hot minute since I did anything godot related, so I can't remember if this is actually correct. Instantiate explosion underscore. Why am I doing that? I can just paste it. There we are. Oh no, sorry. The self dot add underscore child, and then it would be paste you. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, he died. He don't know how to type today. Holy shite. Okay, there's that. Doink. There we are. We can save. Explosion underscore animated underscore You know, I'm just gonna rename this to Explosion Sprite because, yeah. Let's see. Whoop. Whoops, I don't need to do that. Not you. Go away, go away. SPRIT. There we are. I like that a lot more. Explosion Sprite dot play dot and then what am I thinking of? The one is Spark, I think it was called. Let's see. I think it was Spark. Yeah, Spark. And then Boom. I'm gonna rename Boom to Explosion because yeah. Explosion. There we go. That is cool. Okay, now that we are here, I think you're gonna error. Because I think I did that wrong, but let's try, I guess. We will see. Let me make that deer bigger. We gotta make that deer bigger. That deer is just too small. That deer is just too dang small. That deer is just right tiny. Yeah, is that with you? I think you're at you. Root Child, what's going on with you? Ado, Angie, Lizzo Bounce. Okay, well, we got a few things to work on, I suppose. But my issue is this. So, what is the issue with instantiate? I think I'll go reference main for this. Because, yeah. So, we want to go to here, and then it's just instantiate, isn't it? Oh, I can preload the resource. So, it's seen. And what is it? It's thought, instantiate, and then add child. Okay. So let's see. We don't worry about the zig. Can we just close you, please? There we go. So it's not on ready. It's preload. Whoops. There we are. Preload. Okay. There is that now. So we have the preload. And then now we just need to do animate sprite.warning. Did I not save it yet? There it is. Okay, I don't actually want that to be any of that yet. So we can get rid of you. We can add you. Not doing anything. Explosion underscore sprite dot visibility, I think. I just sent you an important video that should be seen on stream. No slurs. Now that is a challenge. That is a statement coming from the bugs. A normal human reaction to tragedy. See, I really want to play that on stream, and considering it's on YouTube, I'd probably be fine. But at the same time, I don't want to become like one of those reaction streamers that's like, oh my god, guys, video funny. It's visibility, isn't it? No, it's like visible, I think. Visible dot is equal to false. And then we just want to yank paste, and then we'll go say true. And we'll yank you, and then we'll say on warning. There we are. Explosions sprite dot play spark, and then on the end of this, we then want to go to say on kaboom. There we are. And then is there a way to disable looping? There should be a really easy way to say disable looping. Let's see. I wouldn't interrupt the stream if it want worth it. Tib, you know what? You say it.
User, Bubshalub says, I wouldn't interrupt the stream if it want worth it.
No, okay, they did say that, stupid. Okay. Thank you, Tib. I greatly appreciate your efforts. Okay, Bubs, you know what? You know what? We're gonna trust you once. Once. It's a 6-second clip. It's a 6-second clip. We're going to trust you. We're gonna trust you with whatever the hell this is. Stream, we are giving Bub Shalub a chance. Do we do it? Should we do it?
No.
Well, I'm gonna do it anyways. That is definitely a statement. Damn, are we watching the American Psycho reboot? They're already making another one? No audio? Honestly, that's better for me, because that means I'm less likely to get copyright struck. Basically, it was just like, Kevin, your dog died, and it's just... Whatever the fuck I just did was. Let's see. Where am I going? That was the important thing. Fine, I will play us audio. Whoop. I'll play it with audio. Let me just stop the music. Just stop the music because the music is going to be an important thing or whatever.
User, Bubshalub says, back to your regularly scheduled programming.
What a pun from the Bubs. No, Bubs, because you threw a fit, we'll do it properly. So we will grab this, we will slide this back right here for the Bubshalub. We will enable window audio. So you ready for this, everybody? We ready for the actual reaction?
Kevin, your dog just died.
That is a dude who uses lotion on their whole body. Let's see. All right, where are we at? I need to just pull OBS back up, and there we are. Okay. So what was I doing? So explosion visible true, add child explosion sprite, explosion sprite dot play. What?
Bubs, that was cringe.
Sure. I mean, Tim's saying the silent part out loud. Okay. But are you with them or against them, Bubs? And by with them or against them, I mean, are you with them or not, Bubs? Tib, are you with the model or Bubs?
Bubs.
Well, yeah, that makes sense. It was funny. It did get an audible chuckle out of me. All right. Anyways, where are we going from here? So, okay, back in the Neovim. So, this isn't instantiating for some reason. So let's see. We need to do all of this crap here. But for some reason it isn't loading. Oh, because I gotta go like $ animated sprite, that's why. Explosion. I realized I spelled the explosion wrong. Explosion. Underscore sprite. There we are. Is it correct? Here, yes. Okay. So, explosion sprite. Done. Instantiate.visible. VW. And then what I want to do is I want to search for the selection, I think. I forgot to do the search thing. But like selection, whatever. Explosion. Oh my god, I keep spelling this wrong. SPRIT. There we are. Okay, so let's see. We're restarting. So we got the preload, we got the sanitary, we got the visible, we got the explosion sprite. Dot. What the hell is it named? Animated sprite 2D. Dot. $, animated sprite 2D. I think it's a capital D, isn't it? Is it capital D? I don't remember. It's a capital D. Capital D because it's abbreviated. It's an abbreviation. Dot visible. A new line instead. What? What? Dot get underscore child. I forget how to do this. Dot play. I am forgetting something. I am forgetting something. I am forgetting something. I am forgetting, and that is very cringe. Let's see. Let's see. Explosion. Oh, not explosion. Dot get child of instantiated node. I guess I just use a signal for it. Yeah, screw it. I think I'll just get a signal. Oh, I should turn the music for you guys again. Yeah, that might be a good idea. That might be an idea. Let's get a song for me. Ooh, this is a spicy one. There we are. Okay, so I'm just gonna create signals on the parent, and I'm just gonna subscribe to the parent. Because yeah, that's gonna be fun. Actually, wait, no, I'm going to. Do I want to do it like that? How do I want to do this? Because it should just be accessing the child. No. It should be easier than this. It should be easier than this. Godot get child of instantiated node. Let's see. So we're here. Yeah, I understand the $sign thing, but like, how do I just like access the thingy? Oh, hey, is that an atom that I see that has potentially returned? I think it might potentially be an atom that I see that has returned. Back rendering took 2.718 years. Yeah, I mean, as if I recall correctly, you are using FL Studio Mobile, so that's going to be a massive pain in the ass. So that's not very fun. Let's see. Get node that. Dot. Yeah. Okay. That's kind of what I thought I did. So let's go back to Wiz terminal. Wiz term. Okay, so let's see. Get child animates for 2D visible equals true. Dot get underscore. Oh, it's probably actually, now that I think about it, I should do something like do something like this, and I say explosion, and I do up here, like way up on ready. What do you say, Adam? You know what sucks? There is a music artist named Adam1K, and it's not me. Yeah, there was a period where I was struggling to find like a username that worked right, and what I ended up doing was I ended up basically just mashing two words together to make my username. So hey, there we are. We are existing like that. Let's see. And then var explosion underscore sprite is equal to explosion. I should preload this. Preload explosion dot get underscore child. I'm just gonna do this on ready. Let's see. The $X. Excuse you. The beginning X. There we are. So we can display declared in ready. Then we'll just go like this. Let's go like that. And then we'll go explosion underscore sprite is equal to explosion dot get child animated sprite 2D. That needs to be a capital D. There we are. Oh yeah, also, welcome back, Adam. I forgot to say this, but, yes, I have turned on TiB, which is that little toaster over there. So, you know, if you, how do I put this? If you, how do I call it? If you call a, frickin' thing, if you call a message using the, toaster, then, yeah, you'll have a very, fun time. And then, as long as they decide to actually say your message, you'll actually have a chance to or sorry, you won't have a chance, but like your message will be read. So that's a nice and fun. Also, sorry, just doing one small tiny thing. No tiny thing. There we are. There we are. How's that? We have now existed. I think you're doing it wrong. So Adam, what you need to do is you need to type exclamation point TTS. So it needs to be like here, let me pull up the chat so I can actually do it. It's like dit. There we are. It's like that, but like without the quotes. So that should give you an idea of like what it is.
User Atom1 Creeper says, Imtim.
Imtim.
It's not Tim, it's TiB. TiB. Like titty bite.
Or as I like to call them, toaster bite. I am stupid.
Stfu.
No, you Stfu. Also, it's shut the fuck up, or STFU. It's not Stfu. We're gonna say next to Prindle. Okay, now where am I going with this? So no. Okay, so we are going to do. Alright, so we have the explosion sprite. So let's see. We have that. Let's see. So I'm gonna do explosion underscore sprite dot visible equals false.
User Atom1 Creeper says, this is going to get annoying for you rather quickly.
Yes, somewhat. But at the exact same time, it gives you all a way to like interact and gives you an actual voice, despite, you know, TiB not really wanting it. So it's you know, it's kind of one of those things where it's a bit annoying, but it's also you know, it's kind of fun, I guess. I mean, like, hey, worst case scenario, if like, you know, if it isn't very nice or whatever, then I can always just, you know, disable it or you know, ooh, maybe I can make TiB sound like a girl.
Please help me.
No, you're stuck there, buddy. I'm sorry, but you were in fact screwed. So have fun. Let's see. Where am I going from here? So
User Atom1 Creeper says, so wait, we are Tim.
it's TiB. TiB. Their name is TiB. It is Wait for it.
User, Vulbite says, TiB.
Yeah, see, TiB.
TiB.
I should like get like a little piece of like tape or something and like just stick it on TiB and just have it be like, my name is TiB. Or like, hi, my name is TiB. You know what? I'm gonna add a little note for that. Let's see. I'm just gonna say, hello, my name is TiB. There we go. I have so many, so many sticky notes scattered all around my room
User,
now. It's
Atom1 Creeper says, hey Siri.
well, I don't think that'll actually be detected, so that's cool. I think it's such a shitty voice that I don't think it'll actually be caught. But yeah. Anyways, there we go. Let's see, where am I going with this? So visible equals false. Right, and then what I want to do is I want to go down to warning, and then I want to go. Wait, I can go rid of you. I want to say explosion underscore sprite dot visible visible equals true. So I can't steal your address. Unfortunately not. On top of that too, I think Siri's really annoying and I actually disabled them. I am in fact in I have to cancel my home invasion plans. Yeah. I mean, hey, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, man? The answer, none. The answer is a fat none. But I mean, like, it's like, I think it's just that, like, what do you call it? It's just like, so, I don't know how you want to call it, just so over the top of like the weird animation or whatever. That's just like, dude, I don't think Siri's already pretty bad. I don't think that's gonna do anything. Let's see. So we do all that. We want to go back to warning, and then we want to play Spark. Is there a way to play an animation once? Godot play animation once. It's not HTML animation is. Okay, so I can just do something like, in process, I guess. Let's see, so in process, I then also want to say, if, explosion underscore sprite dot, I think frame is what I'm looking for AME. Let's see, frame equals, 3, I think, because there's only 3 frames of this animation, isn't there?
User, Atom1 Creeper says, I love ram sticks and human souls. User, Atom1 Creeper says, I love ram sticks and human souls.
Took you a second there, and, you said it twice, but you know what, Tim? Good job, you tried. Yeah, so that is 0, 3. If that is equal to 3, and, animation... what is it? Animation... not animation, explosion underscore sprite dot, current underscore animation is equal to, spark. Then I want my my curly brackets. Let's see, explosion underscore sprite dot stop. Is it stop? Or is it pause? No, I think it's stop. And then I want explosion underscore sprite dot visible equals false. Pause? Sure, whatever. And then, let's see. And then, so let's go back to warning. Warning. And then with warning, we basically just want to take these. We just want to go down to kaboom. And then we'll go there. We will play thing, explosion. Did I name it wrong? No, I didn't. Okay. I didn't name it wrong. You're indented for some reason.
User Atom1 Creeper says TTA.
Did you misspell it? It worked. Oh, whatever. Whatever works. Let's see. And then what else am I doing from here? So we're gonna play the explosion, visible. Trying to think of what from here. So I want to do one spark. Then I want to do something like for rand I underscore range. Let's do somewhere between say 4 and 10, I guess. Yeah, the TTS queue has a small bug in it where it's just kind of glitched. It's kind of one of those things where you kind of just gotta look at it, and like if you see the numbers stacking up, then you get the idea. There's some little mishap in there where like basically the way that it works is that if TiB accidentally triggers a message twice, like you saw, it'll minus the number twice, and there's like no way to redo it. So like if I go back here, I can actually re-queue messages. So if I do this one because that was cute. You'll see the counter go down
Atom1 Creeper says, I love ram sticks and human souls.
Yeah, so you can see that now it had, you know, de-incremented. So that's very thrilling. So that's also a pain in my ass because that's something that I have to deal with. Minor programming mistakes, yay. For context, though, that the entire thing that's running the TiB, like that makes TiB say the things that they don't want to say, I entirely hand coded that. So that's a pain in the ass. But yeah, basically outside of a couple accessible things, it's all basically coded by me in the Jurver script. So yay, I can do things. For that, how the heck do I do a for loop in Godot? Because of course I don't know how to do a for loop in Godot. For loop in Godot. Looping in GD script because GD script is freaking weird. It's for n in range. Okay, let's see. So we just gotta go fr for n in range. I'm gonna say the I because I just like I a lot more. You don't need you there. Let's see. So then I want to do. How do I want to do this? You know what I think I'll do is I think I'll make the randomness inherent to this. So then what I'll do is I'll just do add underscore child. I'm trying to think of what I want to. How would I do this with multiple children? Like how would I add multiple children to this in a way that isn't completely stupid? Because what I'm basically thinking of doing is I'm thinking of basically adding a child, or like cloning a child basically. So it's like I'm basically thinking like have your reference, duplicate the reference, add that reference to an array, and then within that array do a thing like looping, right? Clone variable clone variable in GD script. Let's see. Is a policy to copy variables, not duplicate. If it's an array, you can just do this, that, or deep copy here contains other array or dictionary. Duplicate. Okay, whatever. Let's just try it. So let's see. We're going to very quickly here. We're going to do a var explosion underscore array. Is an array. Can I just do it like this, where it's like array? Yeah, I think. Explosion is a type array. And then let's see. So for I in range, I actually should look up if arrays in Godot are dynamically allocated. Are arrays in GD script? Vol, is your chat system not working? Cloning children, Vol, is your chat system not working? Is it not working? It should be. Let's do some debugging real quickly, I suppose. I just had this little debug thing over here, so let's do this real quickly. So if I type in ping, we should see a thing up here in a second. Yep, I see it on my end. Yep, ping works. I think I might have just been stupid and I just didn't notice your message. I apologize. Let's see. Let me pull up that. Yeah. TiB, I will make you say ping.
User, Volbyte says, ping.
Haha, I made you do it. Your TTS? Oh no, so the issue there, sorry, if you're talking about the message, couple up where you say TTS queue length -2 question mark, you missed an exclamation point there. So it didn't get sent to TiB. It's very specific because I don't want it to trigger things that it probably shouldn't. So I think that's what the issue was. Because if I were to try redo it, I would go something like, if like that's what you mean, then TiB should be smart enough to interpret it in a second.
User, Volbyte says, K length -2.
Yeah, that seems about right. Oh, I made a sub advertisement and I think the government didn't want that there. Yeah, so here's a fun little thing, Adam, is YouTube, I actually tested this earlier, is and I think the US government didn't want there. Yeah, I actually found this out. The what do you call it? The God, I can't think of the name of it. The why can't I think of the name of this thing right now? Because I'm just spacing it. YouTube, if you actually type various cuss words, like FUGG, fug, does not get actually passed over the API. Like, you can send it in chat, I can see it in chat, I can read it in chat sometimes, but if I try to access it using the API, which is what I'm using to, make TiB do the things, because I'm a good wheel developer doing things the way I'm supposed to, then, like, yeah, then it just kind of hates it. It's just like, nuh-uh, we don't want it, we don't like it, we don't gotta have it, it's going away. So yeah, that's fun. Because I don't know, sure. Okay, anyways, where are we going? So for I in array, we're going to do explosion underscore array dot push. I guess to the back. I don't actually really know which one I would want to have in there specifically. I guess back. It mentioned uranium and asbestos. That might be why. Yeah, this may surprise you, but there is a moderation layer between YouTube and the TTS, and there's also a layer of moderation between the TTS and TiB that I implemented because TiB's a little baby, man. Like, we can't have them say anything bad. If we have TiB saying, anything bad, then, like, their little baby ears would hurt. They'd feel really sad, and they'd just be really upset, and they would just have a...
Fuck you.
Well, I guess that goes to show you how innocent TiB is. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so let's see. We'll do explosion.clone. Explosion.clone. Excuse you. So now we clone the explosion. Let's see. I'm trying to think of how I would want to do this. Could I instantiate it with some sort of like builder thing? Like if I do something where it's like I'm just trying to think of how I want to do this. I could do something where it's like tab new. I can do explosion dot. Oh, I don't have a GD script for it yet. Huh. Neat. So let's go here. We will go to, I guess, just explosion. Explosion.gd. There we are. I do not know why you were an ad child. X. Whoops. You can go away. Explosion.gd. I see it is named GD twice. That should be corrected. I do not want to play you. I appreciate the attempt, but not quite. Let me rename you. No, not you. You. Really have to go like all the way over here and there and then whatever to do. Oh my god. Okay, rename. I'm surprised that hasn't been accounted for. That's a weird edge case that they just seem to have missed. The fuzz of my means. Yeah. I drank a whole ass monster before this, and I am still feeling the motherfucking P. Okay, so now that you've been saved, you should have that updated, I think. So let's see, now... Okay, that's fine. There we are. Ready, I want to say, size will be passed in. I'm going to say args is equal to a map. And we'll say size is going to be equal to 1. And then, let's see, I'm just trying to initiate this in a way that I don't hate it. So let's see, a size, random underscore size is equal to false by default, and that needs to be a semicolon because of course it does. We have random size, we have size, we have, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing. I guess it shouldn't be size, it should be scale. Scale. I feel like there's something else I'm missing here that I can't recall. I guess I could just do something like random min-max. Random. I guess I could actually just export that. Random underscore scale underscore min max. There we are. And then random underscore scale underscore min max. And then I guess I'll name it to default. Default. And then we will export export var random underscore scale underscore min max underscore default. Default, and that's going to be equal to an array of some arbitrary size. The minimum size we'll say is like 0.1, I suppose, with a maximum size of say like 0.8. This is the default for children, cause expectation is these will be parts of pulls for a larger explosion. At not export var. Let's see. Let's see. This one will be parent scale, which I guess was leave to default as 1. Parent underscore scale, and then on ready. We will say on ready we want to be okay, I swear nothing is showing up. Is nothing showing up? Is nothing showing up? I'm not seeing anything on my end. Let's see, chat. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, you might just be having a delay. That could always be an option. No, like it's appearing semi-instantly on my end. One second, maybe it's like a moderation setting. Let's see, I have made it so that moderation activity will be shown. Community moderation. Is like TTS maybe like a banned word or something? Automatic filters. Moderators approve users. Okay, I would have to like manually search for that, so it'd be a pain in the butt. Let's see. I can block links, which is probably a good thing to enable. Yeah, I'm gonna block links just by default, just because that seems like it would be a good thing to do. One away from, I don't think so. Okay, so for context, I guess I'll share a bit of the sauce a little bit. So here's my little app thingy that I have currently. So this is what's wired into TiB, right? And then so all of these red messages here are just being detected as like standard messages. Gray ones are TTS that have been read, and then blue messages like this are ones that haven't been read because, like, you know, in this case I just manually disabled it because, like, why am I going to read that, right? Yeah. So that's like the like tool that I made and I have fun with, and I'm not seeing any of your messages come up as TTS messages. I wonder if like maybe YouTube did something silly and it's like YouTube did something where it's like, I'm just trying to like think of how to put it, but it's just kind of like, comments on my channel are fine, comment moderation basic, maybe turn it off. Okay, I turned off content moderation. I still have filters in place, but I turned off basic content moderation. So, Adam, try another TTS, and then what we'll do is we'll see if the TTS message appears here. There's still like filters and whatnot, but if it works, then it should appear here. Because if I try as an example, if I do something like at TTS, I'm not typing in chat, at TTS, hello, we should see it appear there, yeah, pretty quickly. So it appeared very quickly for me, and again, I just basically hit a hotkey to kill that one, so that message is not being read now. So hey, Adam, you could be message 69. Come on, let's go. Let's see number 69. Let's see the 69. Come on, Adam. You can do it. You did. Okay. That message appeared. That is so strange. Okay, let me poke around moderation a bit more. Let's try that. All right, try one more time, Adam, and then send another message thereafter to like verify that you did. Like a one and then the other. Uno and then dos. Give me an uno and then dos. Come on. Come on. Uno and then dos. I'm working with you, man. I'm working with you. We need to get this song. We need to get this grooving and a moving and a juving. And we can see no TTS thing was sent. Awesome. Why is YouTube eating the chat? Am I going to have to wire like a custom chat into frickin' Discord or something for live streaming? Because YouTube is just eating messages. Holy crap. Because I have... Okay, you can see the chat there appeared. So if I hit play now...
User, Atom1 Creeper says, testing 1 2 3.
Okay, that one worked. Adam, are you saying some dodgy shit? Let's see. The only thing I have currently is I have blocking of links. I said something Volbite or I still explode or I'll explode. Yeah. Okay, that's a weird. Because here I'll share this is a fun thing. So like this is a fun thing I noticed, right? So if I pull out the YouTube chat like this, right? So again, like this is my little chat monitoring system that I use to do things, right? If I say something like bug you like that, we'll see right here it doesn't appear. It just is gone, right? And as proof, it's like I love you. And we'll see this one appear in a second. Right there, right? So like being real, yeah, I think the word legitimately might be flagged, because if I do something like at TTS, hello, I am new here. Give it a second. TiB's a little slow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Excuse you. Is it not scrolling? No. What? What's happening with you? Oh no, I saw the love you thing there. Says maybe the sub thing, the first thing might be flag something. Yeah, I didn't flag it though. At TTS, this is a test message. I see it appearing in OBS. You can see it right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really? What if I do something like, say, space up TTS? I question mark? Okay, it appeared there. It appeared on the stream. It isn't appearing in the thing above, so that's cool. Hey Adam, would you be opposed to watching on Twitch in the future? Cause like, holy crap, that's actually really annoying. Maybe your system to get chat is flawed. No, it definitely isn't. Cause like again, if like you can see right there, it works again. It worked earlier. Like this message right here, you can see it works there. I think what it is I think it's if I had to guess, I think legitimately what it is, because I know some oddities with YouTube, is I think it's something to do with YouTube, you know, trying to quote unquote block things, right? Like trying to be like, oh, we're gonna be proactive and you know, try and what do you call it? What do you call it? Like, oh, we're gonna try and you know, be all like sneaky and whatever. That. Really, YouTube? Oh, you know what? Let's try this. What I'll do real quickly is I'll drag we'll kill TiB for a second. We'll kill the toaster. So we'll do that. I need to hop back in here because I'm just running the interface through here. We'll restart TiB. I just got to open up the URL again. I mean, it's fine. They're a robot. They just won't remember anything. So if I restart the stream, API key still loaded, and then I start monitoring the chat, in a second I should see all these messages populate. So we can see here. Wait, what? I am new here. Hi. I am a bottom. Hey, look at that TTS queue length. Huzzah. So, Adam, try send another message. Like, not like a hardcore one, because YouTube's definitely eating some messages. But there might actually be a TTS flaw somewhere. There might actually be a small issue. So try send your last message, whatever that one might have been, and then we'll try and go adjust whatever from there. So yeah, so one more little message just to see what's going on. And I have both windows here, so you can actually see that like it's working. The YouTube, the application. Ema bottom. Ema bottom. Okay, sure. Not ideal, but I think it's working. TTS, my name is T. All right, let me pop on a debugger for 2 seconds and see if it's debugging. Nope, it's reading. But it's also reading the messages wrong. What? So I don't want to share this on stream for semi-obvious reasons, but like I'm looking at like the debug console. It's getting your most recent message. Like it's not erroring out. Like I'm able to read your message. Yes, the toaster is broken. I don't know what happened with the toaster. The toaster has died. I'm looking at like the API real quick. I can share this. Whoops. Okay, well that's fun. Let's see. Let me just do a quick thing. Okay. Well, anyways, so where was I going with this? Is like you can see here that like the message queue is like working, right? Like it's very clearly being displayed. We can see the most like at the time, you know, TTS is working. It's just not being added for some reason. So I guess this is an impromptu toaster diagnosis. Let's do it, I guess. Okay, so we can go here. Where am I going with this? So it would be here. I could delete the optimization for now and just kind of go from there. I guess I'll do that just to make it work. So we'll do this. We'll go to, say, here. Whoops. There we are. We'll say I is equal to 0. Whoops, that is incorrect. We'll do that. What are you guys saying? TTS pain. TiB, are you able to read that? TiB, are you like hard down for the count, or are you only semi down for the count? Oh no, TiB has died. Okay. So what I'll do then is, let me see if I've actually never had to do this. So let me see. JavaScript, remove all child elements. Remove all child elements of a DOM. Okay, so I'll just do this. I'll do so before I do anything, I will just quickly say what is it? Document dot get element by id. That's the wrong by id. Messages underscore list. That's incorrect. And then I want to say messages list dot inner HTML is equal to nothing, because yeah. So we were just going to reset the HTML, and then we're just going to re-add every message to the list. Okay, that will be a bit of pain in the ass, but let's just see if that works. So we'll kill, we will relaunch, TiB has been born renewed. I will get the chat stream real quickly, like this. And then after that, let's see if the messages load. So, okay, so here's the moment of truth. We should see the messages populate right here, if that works. Give it a second. There we are. Says dash n. Alright, everybody in chat, spam TTS. Come on, spam messages. Fucking, let's stress this thing. Let's make TiB suffer. Let's make their brain boil. Let's make them sleep hard. Bubs, I think that message is going to get filtered out. I guess not. Okay, sure. But yeah, come on, like spam it. You have full friggin' authorization to just spam it hard. In fact, I'm actually going to join. Dash TTS, boink, TTS, message, hi, hello, more message, warble. Alright. Is TiB gonna update? Alright. TiB seems like it's updating. The message count doesn't seem accurate for some reason, which is a little weird. But at the exact same time, it seems to be okay. Okay. That's all fun. I have a quick text that I should respond to. So let me just respond to that message real quickly. All right, let's see. User Bubs, hey guys, you know that in terms of Bubs, we're not doing that. we already did this bit. We already did this bit, Bubs. It's over. It's over. It's Jover, man. There's no need. Anywho, what was I gonna say? Okay, so we can not. Okay, so I think TiB is working now. Okay. I will re-enable Toaster. I don't know why. I don't know how. I don't know when. The thing that's confusing me is that for some reason the entirety of the chat seems to be limited to 75 messages. So I guess it's limited to the most 75 recent messages, which is very odd. I did not expect that to be something I would have to worry about, but I guess it is. I mean, I guess in reality it's not a huge deal, but I guess that works. Ah. Very good, TiB. Well, welcome back from the dead. Well, I should probably get back into the game development stuff, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so where are we going from here? Alright. Maybe we should actually get to doing game development stuff. Let's see. Let me just add a quick note here. Messages. Let's do a quick little note here for me for later, and I'll see if I can fix it. I'm gonna say I'm gonna label it as a bug. Only 75 messages ever loaded. Whoops. Let's do that. We have now saved it. Okay, so we have all these now. Alright, now back to the actual game development stuff. Toaster still dead. We can't hear Toaster. What? Can you not hear? Oh, because I restarted the thing. I apologize. I apologize. I had to rewire the toaster. Let me rewire the toaster. Let me rewire the toaster. That is not the toaster. I appreciate the idea, but that is, in fact, not the toaster. There is the toaster. TTS queue length 1306. I don't know what that's about. Oh no, I think that's an issue where if you like every time it updates, I think it like adds another 75 or whatever it is. Let's see this. Come on, let's see the update. Let's see the update happen. Oh, also I'll replay that last message for you, Bubs.
User Bubshalub says, I have returned from hell to bring toast and fury.
Very good. Did TiB die again? Did it stop loading? Did TiB die again? A response of 403. That's not bad. Streamlink is not that. Streamlink is something else. I think the toaster actually died. I think the toaster is full dead. I think the toaster's having a terrible time. I think TiB is tired. It's the first time they've talked in years. I don't think they're having
Nah,
a good
I
time.
ain't reading that. I'm sorry or congratulations.
Well, thank you, TiB. Start monitoring messages. You should work. Okay. You're working.
User Bubshalub says, I have been given flesh to become your tormentor.
Why, thank you, TiB. Okay. Thank you for reading that insightful commentary. Okay. I think TiB is working now. The issue is, though, I think that every time it reloads, it's doing, like, an issue. I'm also getting a 403 response. What's 403 again? What's 403 again? Isn't 403, like, unauthorized? HTTP, 403. Forbidden. Forbidden client error response status code indicates the server understood the request but refused to process it. Okay. So it's updating like once. You know what? Let me poke at my API keys because I might have actually just unironically rate limited. YouTube.com, not YouTube.com. It's gcloud, I think. Let's see. Gcloud is very silly. Can I just actually access things, gcloud? Can you not be a big old heckin' silly? Console? I think that's what I want. APIs and services. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. You can see I might have hit YouTube's API thing a little bit hard in this area. 0.5 per second. That should not be processing that many. That might be what we might have just rate limited YouTube. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Why did that happen? That wasn't until very recently that like the rate usage like spiked. Oh no, errors went way up. Why did errors go right up? Let's see why errors went right up. Traffic response by code 401. I see the 401. Why are you having a bad time? Quotas. Let's see what's going on in the quota and system limits section. Current usage percentage. I've apparently made 10,000 percentage or 10,000 values today. Okay, TiB's dead for the day. We have killed TiB. Is there any leakable information on here? I don't think so. But yeah, if you have a little bit of a look, yeah, we kind of we kind of hit YouTube a little bit hard there. YouTube might not be too happy with us right there. So yeah, that's fun. I guess that's awesome, I suppose, and we'll have to deal with that because that is not great. Sure. Okay. Well, TiB is dead and I killed it. I did unironically trip the YouTube breaker, Bubs. Why do you add code to handle it not responding? I did add code at not responding, actually. It's just, you see, I tried to build this thing in like a couple days, so it's much more of a bodge job. So it's kind of one of those things where it's like it's just kind of like it's not bad, to be clear. It's just also not built in a way for like it doesn't have all like the clean error handling and everything yet. Like I basically just read the console. I'm like, oh yeah, that thing did that. That's probably a bad thing. that's a bit of a yikesicles. Let's fix that real quickly. Let's see if jump slam back into this. If args dot oh no, I have to go like this, I think. Args dot, it should be right there. Args dot random underscore scale is equal to true. All Bub's fault, always Bub's fault. You know what? I am completely down to subscribe to that logic. Bubs, why did you do this to TiB? Why did you kill TiB? How rude. Oh, you know what? I just realized what might happen. One second. I just realized what the issue probably is. Get only latest message, not whole fucking chat, you idiot. That's probably what the reason why the rate limit got so high, because I was sitting there, I'm like, it can't be that high, but then I realized what it's probably doing is it's probably like every 5 seconds it's making like 75 requests, if not more. So initially the scale doesn't seem too bad, but then very quickly the math adds up and you're like, oh, that might be the issue. Honestly, if I wasn't testing it earlier today, it would probably be fine, but the issue is that I was testing it earlier today, so I'm pretty sure it's unhappy at me. Because I tested it for a good, like, 3 or so hours straight, so it's just, like, natchy. I was like, okay. Appreciate it. Okay, anyways, where are we going with this? So, if random scale is equal to true, self dot scale is equal to a vector 2 of random underscore args dot random underscore scale underscore min max. And then what I want to do real quickly is I want to see real quickly if I do something like, if I were to do something like, say, what is it? It's like if I just say like, you know, var test, I gotta do the programmer thing of like foo, var foo is equal to a dictionary or a map or whatever you want to call it, and then I say something like, you know, like a is going to be equal to, you know, I guess, yeah, we'll do 0. Actually, we'll do 1. Screw it. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, and so on and so forth. Oh, that's an error. That should be correct. I forgot to add a statement operator, and I should be able to go like foo dot A, B, C. C isn't detected, but B maybe? I mean, yeah, it's detecting. I don't see what else it would be. That makes sense, so. Alright. That seems like it should work. Sigh, Bubs. I'm not mad, I'm just very disappointed. Yeah! Yeah, Bubs. Let's all be disappointed at Bubs. That's when Bubs responds something like, yeah, just like my parents. Okay, let's see. So where are we actually with this? Args.randomscale.minmax. And I need to just do times parent underscore scale. We can delete that scale, I think. Yes, we need to go args, so I need to go fp args.parent scale. That makes sense. That adds up. That looks nice. That looks groovin'. I want to change this song because this song is mid, as the kids say. Ooh. There we are. Okay, and then what we will do is we will then say, where's that for loop? There it is. Explosions.clone. Okay, did I instantiate it yet? Instantiate, yes. So I got explosion.clone. I just realized I should specify the explosion scene. Explosion underscore scene. I also just realized I think that it's been renaming the end thing. Yeah, let's fix that. Okay, so now we have that. Run into a lasso. Could you run into, could you run into, could you go run into me? Explosion seemed to instantiate. I think this is gonna hard bug error or whatever, but let's see what we can do. Explosion scene.clone. And then after I do that, I then want to do for I in explosion underscore R. I then want to do say I'm asleep now. I need to get up in the morning so I can drink a cup of coffee before sleeping again. That adds up. Well, hey Adam, I wish you the best. I will attempt to have TiB fixed tomorrow, but honestly probably won't be until next weekend because this weekend I got things happen. And by this weekend I mean tomorrow, so very fun. But yeah, hey, thanks for swinging by. I will attempt not to break YouTube next time. I will attempt not to flip the YouTube breaker. Whoops, not want to spam all that, but yeah, have fun, see you around. Catch you laters, alligators. Let's see, for explosions and array, I then want to do, explosion underscore R dot, of I dot instantiate, add underscore child, explosion underscore array, dash I. Yes, and then I want to do, after I add the thing, instantiating it, I want to say, what is it I'm trying to think of? I'm thinking of, it's parent scale, parent underscore scale is equal to self dot scale, and then I want, I think min-max is fine, random scale to be true. Random underscore scale to be equal to true. So that should overwrite that. I'm just gonna indent this because indenting it will be nice. There we are. Awesome. So we're going to instantiate it with those variables. We are then going to call it. Let's see. I'm just going to call random underscore movement. Random angular underscore velocity. I'm going to set that to be true. And then I'm also going to say random underscore linear underscore velocity. And we'll also set that to be true. Velocity. There we are. We'll yank these. We'll jump over here. We'll paste these. We'll go indent you. We will set both of you to be false because being realistic, who the hell cares? And then from here, we then just need to go. Nothing else really, honestly. I'm trying to think. Yeah, so then we just go back over here. Whoops. I don't know what I. Okay, there we are. And then from here, we can say I want to get the. Let's see. At export var random underscore linear underscore velocity underscore min max is equal to an array where the minimum we'll say is like we'll say the minimum is like 100 and we'll say the maximum is like 500, I guess. Just full on boof. And then we'll do the same thing with angular velocity. Angular, and then I think it'd be something like 1 to 4, like rotations per minute. So it would be like 4 would be like funk, 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 like 1 per second. So I think 4 would be a good match. Let's see, and then we'll do self dot linear underscore velocity is equal to, I'm gonna need a rigid body on this. God damn it. Let's see. Let's swap you. Change type. Rigid body 2D. Mass or gravity scale will be 0. It will be relative to the parent. And then after we have that, we then also want to be so that the collisions are just disabled, no collision. And then after we also disable collision, we need to add a collision shape 2D, which will just give like, I don't know, a square rectangle shape, I guess. And we'll say disabled will be on, because that's cool. And then that is rico. I'm on Vim. I am not in the Vim world. I need to exit out, and I need to re-enter the explosion.gd. Linear velocity is self.linear velocity equals rand f underscore range, and the range is going to be, say, this whole thing, vf space yank. That's for the other one. So let's just go like that, and we'll just say 0, and then we'll go 1. Self dot angular underscore velocity is equal to this. I think that needs to be an array, doesn't it? Warning, the files and change what's reading. What did I change? Turn time? Yeah, right. Okay, let's go. Ball. Rand f underscore range. There we are. Angular velocity can be that. Except identifier instead. I see what happened with you. And then we can repaste you. Then we can jump down to here. We can go into, say, here. We can go FA, V, F underscore, X, linear. Whoops. Let's just say V, yank, paste, 0, 1. We'll just add a little comma there. Sure, why not? So we set the randoms. So let's see. If args dot random underscore linear underscore velocity is equal to true, then let's do these things, and then if args dot random, I just realized I said random there. Let's see, random underscore angular underscore velocity is equal to true, then do this thing instead. Let's see. I don't know if there's anything else I'm really missing. This all makes sense to me. Vector 2 random scale min max. I just realized what that is. Let's do this. Scale equals, var new underscore scale is equal to rand f. We'll say in here that new scale is going to be equal to vf boink yank There we are, random scale min max. That needs to be args dot random scale min max. 0 comma space yank paste. 1. There we are. Okay, that should be good there. Self dot scale is going to be equal to. I also want it to be relative to parent scale. Let's see, relative underscore to underscore parent. We are going to set that to be true. Get parent scale doesn't make a ton of sense. So what we can do instead is we can do args dot relative underscore to underscore parent underscore scale. Parent underscore scale. Well, that is not typed correctly. And then if random scale is true, okay, so this should actually go first because that would make way more sense. Let's just do that. We'll go like that. If args dot relative underscore to underscore parent underscore scale, scale is equal to true, then what I want to do is I want to say that self dot scale is equal to get underscore parent dot scale. Get underscore parent dot oh, we gotta do like that dot scale get underscore scale.
God damn it.
Let's see. Godot get scale of parent node. Dot get global transform. Okay, dot get underscore global get trans. How? What? Get parent dot Alright, let's stop messing around and get business. Godot get scale of parent maybe? Just get rid of node? A lot of text. Alright, apparently it's literally just get parent dot scale. I don't know, man. I don't know. It was Aaron before. Don't blame me. Don't shoot the messenger. I didn't do anything. You did something. That's your fault. It's your fault. Bug you. Okay. Too many arguments for rand f. I see why, because I didn't do the underscore range. There we are. I'm actually good. Oh no, there's the scale. Random underscore range. Yeah. Let's see. New variable, local, new scales, never to use. Self is equal to new underscore scale. I should do self dot scale is equal to that. I don't need to use delta right now. I don't think I ever will, but you get the idea. I'm trying to think of what from there. So from there, okay, we're going here. Okay, that all seems fine. That seems fine. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that really. Let's see what errors we get now. Whoops, that's my battery. Alright, let's do some Lizzo testing. Let's see. So the error is here. Explosions get scene, get child, animate sprite 2D. Does it maybe need to be in quotes? Reload? Is it a quotes thing? It might be a quotes thing. It could be a quotes thing. It potentially could be a quotes thing. We have a single bat. We have another single bat. We have a lizard. Okay, so let's see. At function get ready. Now existing function get child in the base pack scene. I see why, because it hasn't been called yet. So I probably need to instantiate it first would be my guess. Let's try that. That's my guess, is that it hasn't been instantiated yet. If not, then I'll move to below child. This is a learning experience for me either way, so I don't mind it too much. So we got a couple bats spawning. Alright, can I get child and pack scene? If that doesn't work, then we're just gonna have to say, okay, so it's some other issue that I don't get. Problem underscore child. Let's see. Let's see this go. Let's give this a gander. Let's give this a little deer, little darn. Little deer, little darn. Little deer doing little darn things. Alright, so it's still an issue with the pack scene. So let's see. Explosion spray is defined here. Explosion sprite has not actually been defined at all. I know it has. It's being defined right here, immediately. Do I need to instantiate it first? Is that what I'm tripping with? So it's instantiate and it's like battle dot thing. Okay, yes, and I can do battle dot thing after I instantiate it. So for me to instantiate it would mean that I would need to first do where's the problem child at? Where's the problem child at? There's the problem child at. So then I'll say explosion is equal to let's make a new variable var explosion. So explosion is equal to instantiate. Then I want to do explosion. I've got get child. And I need to add child explosion. I don't think anything else really needs the other thing, but we'll try it. Just kind of mess around, see what we get. Let's see what we get. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this goes. Cannot convert argument 1 from that to that. Okay, does it actually want the unquoted version? Because if it did, that'd be cool. That'd be neat, but I have no idea, so we'll see. Did it want an object before? I didn't look, so I guess we'll have to see. Come on. Fuck! What did you do? Can I convert one argument from object to int? Get child. Okay, I don't know how to say. Can we do like a get child of type? GD get child of type. Okay, I can do apparently what I can do is I can do something like for child in get underscore children if child is class name here animated sprite 2D. Return child. Yeah. Yeah, so then now what I want to do is I want to go back in here. 4? There, no, not you, not you. No, there we go. So then we can go here, and then we can go for child and dot get children. Can I do a lambda expression? Is equal to that, which then goes into, say, that. Okay, let's see. Expected statement found. Found indent instead. You should have wanted an indent. Is equal to that. Which, do I want a walrus operator instead? Maybe it doesn't instead want something kind of like, say, that. All right, let's look up the arrow operator. Godot arrow up or arrow function. No, I don't want the forward arrow. Actually, no, that's the return type, isn't it? Yeah, return type. I want a lambda. Lambda. Let's see. So I want to do. Okay, so it's apparently equal to. You say basically is equal to func. And then func is just this. Alright, that makes sense. Get number of child. Do I access this anywhere else? Explosion underscore sprite. Okay. I don't know if that actually just works, and I don't gotta worry too much about much else. And then just hope that that works. Let's just see what happens. Let us see what happens with this problem child. Bool with base type callable. Explosion sprite. You know what? I am very slightly cooked. So what we will do is, let's do this. There's an issue here. I'm not gonna burn myself out. I got big day tomorrow, last day of riding on the mountain this season, so don't want to miss that. And this is gonna be a problem child, I feel like, which will send me on a spiral for quite a while. So we won't worry about this for now. I'll end the stream here, and we'll pick it back up tomorrow, and then that will be the conclusion where we'll have Rico with like a little kabooey. So yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching and tuning in. It was quite fun, and I will catch you some other time. Thank you once again. Hey, if you made it this far, maybe you would enjoy subscribing. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Give it a little like, you know, prod. And catch you all later. Bye-bye now.